Kingston Public Hospital's Accident and Emergency Department has been temporarily shut down after fumes were discovered leaking through the air conditioning vents. In an interview with our news team, Senior Medical Officer at KPH, Dr. Natalie Wiley, revealed that the chemical leak into the A&E department was detected late Friday evening. She says in keeping with the hospital's disaster plan, operations were seamlessly relocated.
A decision was made in the interest of the safety of the patients and the staff to relocate the services to an adjacent area, which is in the outpatient south clinic. So there has been no disruption to the services of the hospital. This morning, as you can imagine, the Regional Director, Lascelles Brown, has directed that an investigation be initiated, and so that has commenced.
She also confirmed that non-emergency cases are being redirected to other health facilities.